Welcome back, guys. This is Shaz from DNZ Customized. Today we got this Mercedes A250. So the customer came here to get his lights tinted. So today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna tint the rear lights, and let's go. Let's get into the GoPro view then. Okay, first of all, I just wanna make sure to clean all the dirt on the lights with the soapy water, as I said usually. And yeah, let me give a small wipe for it. You just need to make sure go around all the edges just to make sure there's no dust with your squeegee. Let's go with squeegee. Where's my squeegee? Yes, over here. So I'm just going around the corner, same how I did on the first light. I'm just gonna go around the edges just to make sure. Ta-da! I got my squeegee. That's the only option I can use. This is a hard side, so it helps to go all around the corner. So yeah, keep your squeegee under your microfiber and go around the edges properly. So yeah, now I've gone with the soapy water, so let's go with alcohol, which is diluted. Okay, now this is clean. Now let's cut material. So let's cut the height. This is back slitter. So this should be fine. There's no need to be like over excess material. So you just need to be just accurate where we can stretch this material a bit more. Wear my glove. Let me wear my glove, which I don't prefer to wrap without my glove. So yeah, and on the bottom. So before we are laying, we just need to take the protection off, which is a bit black, annoying to take off, but yeah, if you have techers to do it, so that's easy. So this is how the layer. And now as you can see, I'm the only one which I'm gonna wrap it. So yeah, if there is two people, it's easy to hold two sides and heat it and keep on the car. And one more thing which I need to mention it, this is from APA tinted vinyl, like tinted wraps. So this has air free, which normal tint doesn't have. Like you need to go like bit by bit without any air. But with this, you can literally press the like air on the tint and it disappears, as how normal wrap does that. So this has that kind of quality and that kind of future where you can use it and make your work easy as well. So it's not a problem where you can labor yourself and wrap it. You can see I just wanna tuck it here, take it like that, and heat it. If I get a middle line properly like this, there you go, see, as you can see, I got my line. Like this is a line which I was aiming for, and I got it. So I can squeeze it up and down. Look at this. If I pick this up, like that, you can see. So now let's squeeze you down. Yeah, this is a very, very nice tint, and it makes your life easy as well, so why not? So this is how you lay the tint on the any lights, probably like any lights. And the only issue with this material, you can stretch this material like without any issue, but if you overstress this, it gonna peel back. That's the only issue where you can get from this. So before you're cutting the edges, just go with your heat gun all around the tin. Just cut on side of the car. If you're not good with your blade, just don't do it, because like really close, as you can see, just keep your blade on the car and cut that excess where you have a lot of material where it can go under the light. So and this corner you should be very, very careful, because this haven't got any lots of space in it. So after that, this is easy. You got a bit more room. Now just that's it. So now with your squeegee, go slowly. My concern is only about this corner, because this light is very, very tight with the body. There is no space to tuck in. So I just want to really, really careful. So after that, just go with your squeegee all around. So yes, this is how you tint a rear light, and now you can see the difference between the dark tint and the lighter tint, like which is not being tinted. I hope you like this video, and see you on next one.